Hi all, Fat Andy here. Right, I picked this up from Aldi, £1.69. Spanish chicken, the old two-step thing they do with a jar. Never had this before. I looked at that and thought, sound nice. And I also picked up this seasoning. They're doing that Spanish thing, aren't they? Patatas Bravas, is it? Little seasoning to go on potatoes and stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cube some spuds up, partly boil them, let them cool, mix this seasoning in, then finish them off in the air fryer. And we've got this with chicken. So let's sit down and quick closer look at it first before we go any further. Here we go then, specially selected Spanish chicken, Spanish inspired smoky tomato sauce with paprika, fennel and a hint of chilli. 2 chilli marking on there. It's a two-step sauce, as I said. You can try it with prawns or tofu if you want. We're having chicken. Medium spiced tomato based sauce with fennel, paprika, garlic with a blend of spices. Directions for use: always wash hands, all surfaces and utensils after handling raw meat. It says heat 15 milligrams of oil in a saucepan on a medium heat. Add 350 grams of diced chicken. Whoop, that's moved. And then stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes, etc. Then sprinkle the seasonings from the cap and fry for a further 1 minute. Add the sauce and simmer gently for 10 to 12 minutes. Stirring occasionally. Obviously ensure the product is thoroughly cooked, etc. and piping hot throughout. Not suitable for microwave cooking there. That is ingredients. Anybody is interested in having a look, I'll just slowly roll that round, as you can see. Aldi advice may contain nuts and peanuts and soya, 360 grams. This was £1.69, and you got a little traffic light system there. Money and greens, and it is suitable for vegans. Right, that is that. And then I just picked this up, 59 pence. Hola! Taste of Spain. Patatas Bravas, seasoning a vibrant, smoky, spiced patatas brava style seasoning with tomatoes and paprika. Traffic light system there, as you can see. Flip it over. I'm not going to dwell too long on this. As you can see, that's 35 grams, that's 59 pence. That is also suitable for vegans as well. That is nutritional information there, if anybody's interested. The directions for use, yep, it's there, and that is your ingredients. Allergy advice there, may contain barley, celery, milk, mustard, soya, sulfites and wheat. A bit dietary advice there. Suitable for vegans, no artificial colours or flavourings. 59 pence. Right, I'll get on with the spuds first. Right, basically I'll just dice a potato there, peel and dice a couple of big old spuddies. Just going to shoot these into the pan. Just give these a good wash, get the starch off. And then what we'll do, we'll boil these, part boil these, won't take long, it's only small bits. And then we'll let them cool and get the seasoning on them. There they are. Right, I'll be back in a sec. Right, spuds are on in there. Some nicely old drum fillets, what we like, and they're cheap, as I said before. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut these little chunks basically. Get these cut. Hot day again, isn't it? Very, very hot day. Yeah, we'll get this, get these chunked up, and have a nice nice bit of Spanish food. Well, I hope it's nice. I've never tried this one before. but we'll certainly find out. Right, I'll carry on with this. What I've done, I just blanched them, drained the hot water off, only about 4 or 5 minutes, that's all. So they're partly cooked. And then all I've done, drained the water in the sink and then just run cold water over them so they're nice and cool. So what we're going to do, I have chopped the chicken here, but I ain't worried about that at the moment. I'm just going to go back in the fridge for a little while. I'll get this Patatas Bravas, and what we're going to do with this, if I can get a pair of scissors, just open this up. That smells nice, that do. And then we're going to coat all these potatoes, mix it all in, and just let that lay there on the potatoes and everything. And then what I will do basically is get this then, and they'll be air fried. Put these in the fridge for now, just let them marinate in that, and then we'll air fry these. And yeah, we'll see how they come out and what they taste like. 59p that was. So yeah, we'll have a look. Right, I'll finish mixing this. Once they're mixed up, I'm gonna put these out in the fridge out of the way. Just transferred it off the board into a jug. I just want to put this in the fridge. It's a hot day, there's flies about, and I don't want them landing on it or anything. So we're not quite ready to do this yet. I've just got to do another hour or two's work, and then we'll come back. So yeah, I'll get this in the fridge and see you in a bit. Right, let's get on with this now. Ready to start cooking this. Right, these are potatoes have been in the fridge. I've just sprayed that tin. I'm doing this in the air fryer oven basically. I've got my daughter now here for tea as well. I didn't realise she was coming, so no worries. I'm sure it'll all pan out properly. Split these about, spread them out. So these have been blanched. So what I'm going to do, basically, just air fry these. Probably 15-20 minutes. We'll have a look, and I'll get this chicken on. Right, let me get this in the air fryer oven. Right, I'll just put that on now on a low heat. I'll just put that on 150 in the air fryer oven at the moment. So I need to get this chicken done. Olive oil. Right, probably tablespoonful and a half. Somewhere around 15 mil, something like that. We'll get this chicken browned off. I'm going to do a little bit of sticky rice as well with this actually. Maybe daughter's here. We were just going to have the potatoes being today, but yeah, I use the rice just to bark it out a bit. Right, let's get cooking. Right, this is coming along absolutely gorgeous now. We've got a good sort of 10 minutes or so this chicken, getting some nice colour into it. So what I'm going to do, I have chopped just a few, I don't think you can see in the background there, just a couple of these sweet paprika red peppers. Just sort of chop a couple of these up. Right, I'm going to get this out now, this spice mix will come in the lid. That says once the chicken is sort of partially done, add it to it. Let them smell nice there. And then fry it in with the chicken. So that is what we're going to do. Sometimes I think this stuff, you know, is better to sort of marinate the chicken. Use it as a marinade, I don't know. Just follow the instructions anyway. Just for about a minute that says. It is smelling nice, I will say. But the burning question is, does it taste nice? We'll certainly find out. Right, just cook that in for about a minute. I'm gonna add the sauce in a minute. Now it is the Spanish chicken sauce. And so you can use prawns with this, tofu, whatever your favourite is. Right, that's the slices cooked in. Looking good. We're going to shove the sauce in. A teeny bit of water just to rinse out the residue. Got an eighth in that jar. Just rinse all that goodness out. Get this all stirred and mixed in. Putting tomato with this, that's it on the ingredients and everything. You can see the rich redness to it. Right, that's looking good. And I'm just going to throw these sweet peppers in. Because my daughter's arrived, I thought, well, I'll just chuck some peppers just so I can bulk it out a little bit. And I'm just going to turn it right down. And basically put the lid on and let it do that thing. Lid on, right down to number 4, 3 or 4 will do. Right, I'll come back to you in a bit. Right, that is just about done. As you can see, that they're bubbling away nicely. The potatoes are now done. Another minute to go on them, and get the rice in and we'll be away. Right, we'll see you when we plate it up. Here we go then. This is the Spanish chicken, the Patatas Bravas potatoes, and I have a nice little bit of sticky rice in between the middle. Yes, I know it's like a Thai sticky rice, and it ain't really Spanish, but we do like this stuff. I will say that. So yeah, that's looking good. Right, we'll crack on. Right, here we go then. That's mine. That's Kay's. Oh, look at that, look. Can't be bad, just hope this tastes nice, because I don't know what it's like.
Yeah.
Right, we'll get stuck in.
Just hope it do.
I wanted the potatoes first time. It's up to you what you go in for. She's going straight for the old Spanish chicken. I'll just try them potatoes. That's not bad, them potatoes. That Patatas Bravas, in with that. A little bit garlic, slightly
Chicken's
herby.
nice.
Is that nice, a chicken?
Yeah.
Try the spuds, tell me what you think. Oh, not too bad. A little bit herby,
Yeah.
but nice. Go in for the chicken. Here we go. That's nice, that, isn't it? That really is nice. Of course, a nice tomatoey.
Yeah, it is.
That is.
Tomato.
A bit sceptical about this one because I weren't too sure, to be honest. I've got a little bit of a heat in it. Only a tad
Yeah.
at the moment, but I reckon it could be a builder, a bob. There we go.
Yeah.
Hot.
That is.
Wow.
That is a bit of a builder, I think, because I'm starting to get a bit of a warm mouth.
That is. You can taste the tomatoes through it. You can taste slight garlic through it, can't you? Then you've got the chilli coming in. And it starts off and you think, oh, this is nice. And I bet you by the end of the time you finish this, you're going to be quite hot in the mouth.
Yeah.
But that's a too chilli. But I like it. I do like that.
Yeah, I like
All right,
it.
we've got the sticky rice. I know it's not Spanish and that's Thai, but as I say, we do like this microwave rice. We tried to get some again from the continental shop where you bought it yourself, but it didn't have any, did he? And that one we tried, so...
You mean the Asian
shop, not continental, I couldn't remember. But that's nice. I like that now, that Spanish chicken. It's not really a curry as such.
No, it ain't.
No. Kay was calling it a curry beforehand. No, that's nice. That's got a lovely flavour to that.
Yeah. It has got a little bit of heat to it. Nothing to write home about, but...
And then I suppose we could call it a Spanish curry, couldn't we? I like it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Score, Kay. Go on, give it a score. I've got one in my mind.
Give it an 8.
An 8 from Kay and a 7 from me. There, how's that? And that's nice. Would I have it again? Yeah, I would actually. Funny enough. Even though I scored at a 7, I'd still have it again. So I think that's nice. I really do. So that's specially selected Spanish chicken from Aldi at £1.69. And then the Patatas Bravas seasoning was 59p. Yeah, try them out. Give them a go. Right, we're off to enjoy this. Thumbs up if you like this. Give us your comments below. Let me know what you think. Have you tried it? What's your take on it? I think that's nice. It's very nice.
Yeah.
I actually think I should have given it an 8 really, but I'm sticking with a 7. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. And we'll catch you lovely people in the next one.
See ya.
Thanks for watching. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.